In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use embed blocks on Squarespace with ease. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you feel confident in the process and become proficient in enhancing your Squarespace website with custom embedded content. First things first, let's get started by opening Squarespace. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account. This step is crucial because accessing the features we need requires being logged in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your homepage. Consider this our starting point for customizing your site. Next, take a look at the lower left-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice your profile icon. Go ahead and give that a click. This is the spot where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once you see your list of websites, choose the one you're interested in working on. This ensures that we're making our changes to the correct site. With your site selected, it's time to click on the Edit option. This action will open up customization for your page, unlocking a host of powerful tools that you can use to personalize your site's content, layout, and functionalities. Now that you're in editing mode, you're ready to add some new content. Your next task is to click on Add Block. This feature provides various options to enhance your site. Scroll through the list until you find the Embed option and then click it. The embed block is a great tool that allows you to insert third-party content onto your Squarespace site, making your website more dynamic and engaging. After clicking Embed, double-click on the newly added embed block. This will open up more options for customization. Then you'll need to click on Code Snippet. This important step is where you'll interact with code, but don't worry, it's just a copy and paste activity. You don't need to know how to actually code. Once you're in the code snippet area, locate the Embed Data section. This is where you're going to paste the code you've copied from any third-party service, whether it's a video, a form, or any other embeddable content. Simply click into the box and paste your code. It's a straightforward action, but it effectively boosts the interactivity of your web page. Additionally, there's an option to enable a custom featured image in this area. This feature lets you display a specific image representation for your embedded content, providing a visual cue for visitors. If you choose to do this, simply enable the option and select your desired image. Once you're satisfied with the changes and all your content is appropriately embedded and displayed, the final step is to click Save. This action commits all your updates and ensures that your site is ready for visitors, with the new interactive elements seamlessly integrated. And there you have it. You've successfully used embed blocks on Squarespace, giving your website that added layer of customization and functionality. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.